17mm socket. Take these lug bolts out. When you get to the last one, just hold the wheel on. And grab the wheel and slide it off. There's a bolt right here. Use a T30 socket. Take that bolt out. There may be another bolt over here. Take that one out as well. It should be the same size. There's all these push clips around the inner fender well. I'm going to take those out. Sometimes you can use a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the center part, and then just use a trim tool and pop out the rest. Take all those out. Take these out next. Here. Take this one out underneath here, just the same way. And then there is a 10mm nut here. It's just a plastic nut. You want to take that off. Just using a 10mm socket. You can slide that off the stud. Grab the inner fender well. Slide it down. And out of the way. On the driver's side, the washer bottle is going to be in your way. The passenger side, you shouldn't have any problem. To disconnect this connector, the easiest thing to do is just twist to the left. Just slide the whole socket out. Then you can push down on this little tab and just slide it off, just like that. You can push this back into the light assembly. Leave that there for now. Now we're going to move this out of the way. We're going to take these two screws out. Use a T20 socket. Up top, we're going to have to take this push pin out. Just use a trim tool. Take that out, and this is a little more movable. Now we just pull this out of the way a little bit. If you wanted to, you could take it out completely, but you don't have to disconnect anything. It's just easier that way. Then take the T20 socket. I'm going to take these screws out. Right here and right here. The top, one more. And with those out, you can take the whole light assembly right out. Take the light, slide it in position, and get the screws started You can start with the top screw. Makes it a little easier. And then the bottom 2 screws. And tighten them down. Tighten that other one down and the top one. Now we can slide the washer bottle in place. Get those bolts started. And tighten those down. And up top, we can put that push pin in and lock it down. And line the connector up and connect it. Lock it down. Now I take this inner fender well and line it up. Now take all the push pins and just go around and push those in place. Kind of push them in a little bit. You can twist them a little, makes it a little easier. Just put those all back. Put this plastic nut back in place. Snug that down. And this bolt goes right here. Snug that down, and if you had another bolt, put that in. And you can repeat the procedure for the other side. Put the wheel on, line it up. Put the lug bolts in. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 110 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly.